Hey guys, it's me Caroline. I just wanted to show you the two yummy Springlicious purse charms I made. First I made this one in gold metals, and I put all sorts of gold beads and matched colors, all spring and pastels and bead caps. So here, oh, and I also put a little donut on the top just to go with the whole theme. And then this one, hold on, I'll keep it where it was. Again, this one's in silver tone, and I have all things that measure luck. Like I have a little butterfly, to me they're good luck, a heart, an angel. I think I have something else in here that I thought there was. I just tried to find everything for mystical, like some moons, and so here is the silver, and I thought one was bigger than the other, and they're exactly the same size. Yeah, I needed to release some stress tonight. It was kind of a hectic evening. So this is what I did. This is what I managed to do, and just tune everybody and everything out. And as you see over here, I'm starting to make more of my little mini charmettes, and these are two that are done. Okay, this is what I did tonight, guys. Hope everyone's having an enjoyable, restful Tuesday evening. Bye.